Hello, and welcome to One Stop Telecom's YouTube channel. Today we are going to have a show on how to set up the DMSS app for the Dahua NVR recorder. This process applies if you are setting it up for the first time, or if you have changed phones and need to set it up again. So let's get into it. First, you will need to scan the QR code from your NVR. So let's log into the NVR and go to Main Menu. You will see the QR code icon located on the top right corner of the screen. You need to scan the device SN QR code located on the right side. Let's get onto the DMSS app on your phone. From the app home screen, click on the plus icon on the top right of the screen and then select Scan. This should open the camera view. And if you are prompted with a permission screen, just allow camera permissions depending on iPhone or Android. Scan the QR code and click Next. Select NVR on the next screen. Now you need to fill in device name, which I'm going to type One Stop Telecom site. Then input the username and password you use to log into the NVR. Once all information is in, click Save on the top right of the screen. Leave the UPnP setting on as default and click Done. There you have it. You should now have the live view screen. If you want to learn more, hit subscribe and follow us on Facebook for the latest videos and promotions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.